Alright, it's been a while, but Chato Vision is here for a man cave review. Today, I ordered some brake rotors from partsavatar. Now, one thing with all the websites online, you never know what company is going to be good, which company is a scam, if you're going to get your products. So I gave this a try, partsavatar.ca, and it says Canada's #1 online auto parts store, so I gave it a try. Today's an unboxing review of the discs, so let's get right at it. Alright, so let's see. From first view, the boxes are in perfect condition. No damage from traveling from their warehouse to here. I'm in Ontario, Canada, so it didn't have to travel too far. But let's see. You know, box is in good shape. We'll see what we get. One thing I did notice about this company too is they have them really good sales. These were premium discs, and there was a $200 savings on them, so I went with a higher quality disc that I would have normally been to in my budget. So here we go. We had the partsavatar box on the outside, and then on the inside we have the OEM box. I'll list the part numbers and everything that I ordered on the screen right here somewhere, or here, whatever. Anyway, okay, again, the source box is in good shape. Brake rotor 680508R, okay, from RAYBESTOS. I think they're pretty good. We'll see how good they are. Okay, so we have a brand new rotor here. They're heavy little suckers, wrapped in plastic. Nice protection, no rust.